you can get yourself situated on your mat. Today we're going to be using bolsters and pillows, so grab as many as you need. First one we're going to do is take a pillow, put it underneath our butt, and we're going to go into a child's pose with the bolster support. So if you don't have a bolster, just stack a whole bunch of pillows, so that way you feel comfortable. So you can start by just placing yourself as far as you can, and this time we're gonna just drop our shoulders to the outside of our knees, so that way we get a more supported stretch for our shoulders. And if you need more support, you can grab another pillow and just elevate yourself. No, you want to be as comfortable as you can. You don't want to be, constraining yourself. Yin yoga is about deepening into the poses, but also staying comfortable in them. So if you start to feel any numbness, just get out of the pose, that way you can come back to it more mindfully. So breathe in through the nose and exhale out. Breathe in through the nose and exhale out. As we're in this pose, we're just remembering that we're doing our 30-day challenge to claim our power. And to claim your power doesn't mean to be aggressive. It doesn't mean that we have to take action right away. It simply means to be present in our body, to claim to what is right for us from within. So saying that true no. Saying no when people are forcing us to say yes. Or to say yes when we truly mean to say it. When we truly want to experience something with someone. It's so easy to get up to just agree. To agree to what others are saying, especially in the media. Especially from politics. But those are all opinions. They're all opinions from others, from what they think is right. It is not what you think that is right. So as you sit in this pose, try to think about 3 things that are true to you. So 3 things that are true to me are taking time to be with myself in nature, whether it's going for a swim, a walk in the forest, going for a bike ride. Another is taking care of my body by eating the foods that it desires. And another thing that I hold true to me is listening to my intuition. Being able to surrender to the moment and to listen to my inner voice. I feel and I believe that my intuition will guide me further into my purpose, into fulfilling my happiness for the day. My intuition has led me here, in this pose, guiding you. So keep thinking about the 3 things that you hold true to yourself. slowly start to open your eyes, wiggle your hands, and place your hands by your knees, and gently come out of the pose. You can keep the pillow underneath you if you want to. We're just going to do a bit of a twist here. So taking the left leg a bit more out and bringing the right leg in. You can place more pillows onto you. I know I'm going to need to. My hips are more tight. I'm going to take the bigger pillow and take the smaller pillow underneath because this one's more comfortable. And you're just going to lay on your side. And then you can shift the back leg or the leg that's more in the front and shift it more out. And you're just going to lean yourself to the left side. So this is like a twist. If you need to have a more added stretch, maybe take your back hand and try to reach for your foot. Grab your foot and take it more back into a bind. So as you're in this pose, try to focus your energy on your hips. Focus on just surrendering to the moment. Surrendering to the moment, saying hello to Aya. She was just playing and trying to catch some geckos. She's also just playing in the moment. So this time, think about how you play in the moment. What are your passions? What are some activities that just make you forget about everything? And you're just so immersed in your bliss. For me, it's painting, surfing, reading. What are some of your passions? Breathe in through the nose. Allow the body to just surrender even more. Just try to get more comfortable into your pose. On your exhale, just allow the body to sink. Allow yourself to surrender to the moment. Just envision yourself being in your passion. You are here, presently aware. You can open and close your eyes and just push yourself up. You're going to switch sides. So taking and dropping yourself with the... Is that the opposite side? Yes. So taking your... Totally forgot which side I just did. It just seems like a blur. Okay, so taking your left leg and then taking the right leg back. We're going to twist down over. Yes, this is definitely different because it feels different. And then you're going to shift your body weight forward. Wrapping the bolster. And just placing your head onto the pillow or the bolster. And again, if you want that added stretch, take your left hand and try to grab your back leg and then just push it out. If that's too much, you can grab the pillow, have the pillow be by your side. Allow yourself again to just surrender to the moment. Surrender to the pose. And keep envisioning yourself in your passion. Keep staying there. Allowing yourself to be okay. To be happy. To take time away from your family, from your work, from expectations, and to just let go of your mask, to be free in your passion. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. You're doing great. And as you're immersed in your passion, who are you with? Is anyone accompanying you? Are you alone? And even if you are alone or with others, your higher self is with you. Your angels are with you. God is present. And your passion is one of the most easiest form of communication with your higher self, with your angels and God. You are in prayer. You're not praying. You are in prayer when you're in your passions. So as you're in prayer, listen to the messages that are coming in. Listen to the messages from your higher self, from your angels, from God, and whoever else is with you. Listen. Take an inhale through the nose and exhale out. Slowly start to unwind yourself. Coming back to center. And you're going to just bring yourself to a straddle. You might want to bring more pillows. You're just going to drop your lower back. Curl the upper back. And again, just allow yourself to just sink into this pose. And have your forehead resting onto the pillow. I'm not resting mine just yet, just because I'm talking to you. Just so you can hear me and understand me. place as many pillows as you need to. Maybe you're more flexible and you just need one bolster. Maybe you're still in the upright position. Once again, just take as many pillows that you need to help with your comfort. Or even if you need a block, you can take a block just to give yourself that added support. And know that it's okay to support yourself. It's okay to ask for help. It's okay. It's okay to be a little selfish when in our passions. It's not truly a selfishness. It's more of a self-love, self-awareness, acknowledging that we feel safe, that we feel good in the moment in our passions. So to claim your power this week, or today, do one of your passions, feel the moment, and hear the messages from your higher self, your angels and God, and whoever else is around. This pose is starting to feel a little bit uncomfortable. You can just shake out your legs a little bit. Maybe you want to place some pillows or some blocks more by your knees, so that way your knees can also drop. This is a pretty big hip opener. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So as we take this class to its final moments, be sure to truly accept that it is okay to be a bit selfish, to put your passion first, to say your real yes, to say your real no. You're given this moment, so don't take away precious time by doing things that you really don't want to. It's not that you're wasting time, but in those moments that you just don't feel safe or you just don't feel like doing, know that you're becoming more aware. You're becoming more aware and becoming more authentic to what it is that you truly desire. So you can slowly come out of this pose, just moving your bolster and your pillows away. You can bring your knees in, just simply rock and shift them side to side. Did a really good job in opening up your hips and just opening yourself up to your true self. You can come back to center, placing your hands on your heart. And thank you for practicing with me and taking time away to be with yourself. Until we meet again, there's a fly by me. Until we meet again, thank you. And please subscribe, like, and do whatever you want with this video. Maybe you want to play it again to just opening up yourself some more. Aloha.